Looks like we're back in Project Baki 2, another 1v1 video, like I usually do. But yeah, so Zoro versus new Chainsaw Man, and best out of 3, basically same rules as the other ones, anything goes, and let's just get straight into the video. It's not dilly-dally for long, let's go. Okay, round 1, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, there. You know, I'm just gonna stay here a bit. Where? Oh, why isn't he in his mode? He's missed his move. Hit your shots, bro. Turn up the volume. Sorry if that was a bit loud. How? Sorry. Yeah, my mic just cut out there for a second. They're so tanky. Let's see. Why is... Bro, bloody low tier god just in the background. Oh, that's better. Now I can actually see stuff. They're just running away from each other. Use mode, mate. How is he full? Like, almost full. Nah, bro. What is it? What are you doing, Zoro? This is not okay. He's getting... Alright, round 1 goes to Chainsaw Man. That was kind of a slow battle. Alright, GG. Round 1 goes to Chainsaw. Let's go to round 2. Round 2. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, mate. You got this. Stop. You're just running in circles. Ow. Maybe I should get up here. He's gone... Yeah, he missed a headbutt. Mate, you're just giving him time to heal. He's not even using the mode. Chung 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 chung. I swear this low tier god bro needs to shut up. How did that not hit? I think they nerfed Zoro or something, bro. Why do you use your evasive in the middle when... Okay. Oh, bro, what is that? That's not okay. Yeah, nah. I reckon I know who's gonna win here anyway. He's how low he is. Come on. Come on, mate. Alright. Round 2 goes to Chainsaw. I reckon I know who's gonna win round 3, but my money's on Chainsaw, but let's see if Zoro can make a comeback. And if he doesn't, I'm gonna show him how to properly use Chainsaw. Because why not? I wanna fight a bit. Round 3, final round probably. 3, 2, 1, go! Ah, Zoro with the damage. Ah, Zoro with the combo. Oh, I thought we messed it up for a second. Num num num. Oh. What are you doing here, mate? Bloody hell! He's just running here, Super Saiyan, just gone out of nowhere. It's the middle of a fight, mate. Yeah, piss off. Bruh. No, what is this? They've just been running and healing. Well, he's been running. He's been healing. It's just, I don't know, some random just walks in here, everything goes down. Just takes like an ages, bloody hell. Meow. Alright. Round 3, go to Chainsaw Man. Alright, now, I'm gonna fight him for round 4. Alright, so I'm gonna fight him, let's get into it, and hopefully I win. Go! Fight back! Fight back! Fight back! Fight back! Why are you not getting knocked back? Yeah, Oh no, it's like beating up a toddler, except he's got a chainsaw. Yeah, we'll just redo that round. Alright, yeah, we're gonna do like a rematch from that, because I kinda just like used Zawado and just like froze him there. It was my level, it's my bloody Hall of Fame intimidator right there, mate. Alright, he's gonna count for us. 3, 2, 1, go. Deforestation! Why didn't I grab him? Oh, what is that heal, bro? Meow. Deforestation! I love this style. It's so goofy. Alright, oh yeah, this is the style. Apparently it's very laggy for a lot of you. But is it not laggy? That's how it's meant to work. But yeah, I don't know. Hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. Help me get to 50 subs so I can get the bloody title. And yeah, leave me some comments what I should do next. And some game suggestions. And see you next time. Alright, yeah, we're gonna do like a rematch from that. Because I kinda just like used Zawado and just like froze him there. It was my level, it's my bloody Hall of Fame intimidator right there, mate. Alright, he's gonna count for us. 3, 2, 1, go. Deforestation! Why didn't I grab him? Oh, what is that heal, bro? Meow. Deforestation! I love this style. It's so goofy. Alright, oh yeah, this is the style. Apparently it's very laggy for a lot of you. But is it not laggy? That's how it's meant to work. But yeah, I don't know. Hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. Help me get to 50 subs so I can get the bloody title. And yeah, leave me some comments what I should do next. And some game suggestions. And see you next time. Hey, so at the end of the video, I forgot to mention that I've got a new Discord channel, which I'll be hosting a bunch of like events and stuff in, like tournaments with like rewards and stuff and like giveaways. So as a thanks for all you guys' support, I'm hosting a maximum tournament, like from the original Baki the Grappler anime thing, and the winner is gonna get a Game Pass of choice or something like special like that. And yeah, thank you guys very much for your support. Can't be here without you. I'm just doing this thing for fun, but yeah, thank you guys for everything.